guys, so today is Saturday. I had breakfast with my parents, but then I went back to bed. So I want to do Rupi Kaur's writing workshop today at noon, which is in like 8 minutes. So I need to get out of bed.
I don't think I'm holding the angle right. It looks ugly. I'm like faking this apron, but it looks fine.
I like how you go, yeah, I'm gonna start doing that, and you never did it.
What?
The easy way of making your bed. Which makes it look sloppy.
Hopefully now. I cleaned my room. Now I want to get some homework done and then chill for the rest of the day. This is a very chill Saturday, as you can see, and I really didn't want to turn out that way, but I'm not too upset as long as I get at least a page of my report done like I planned. So I have 2 cups of coffee inside of me. I just took a shower, very energized right now, so it's just time to really put in the work. So guys, I just can't seem to be in a mindset to do homework right now. Like, I've been staring at the screen trying to put my thoughts together, but I'm just like not mentally there. I'm gonna try to meditate or do something to distract myself so that maybe I can kind of feel the pressure. Oh, I already feel the pressure from myself to be productive today, but I think I might even have to take today off so that I can really be able to have a very productive Sunday tomorrow. I still have to write a resume, an updated resume for one of my classes, get this rough draft done, and oh my god, it's the 18th. And this paper is due on the 8th of May. See, I don't have much time. I like really have to work on this ASAP. That might have just worked. I don't know. I think I'll take today off. I know saying that might make me actually work harder later this evening, so we'll see. maybe I'll make a dessert, like brownies or something. Or like, maybe I'll call Ethan or something. Distract him. Okay. Just an update. Ready to work out. Let's call Ethan.
Hey babe,
Hi.
my presentation is coming along pretty well. I'll have to do like no work hopefully on it tomorrow.
Good.
I got each of the submit that should be good. And then I have a paper due on it on the 4th, but since all my information's in a PowerPoint,
Right.
I basically have an outline.
Right.
Or all my information's in a PowerPoint. Yeah, I have an outline and then I have like a lot more text.
That's awesome.
Single space.
Right. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. Now the hard part's just like picking out what parts you want to include.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I know I always go on tangents when I see you, but
I love it.
I do call-
Even this is like we're talking, so continue tanging.
very happy.
I'm so happy you're productive today. That makes one of us.
Hey, you made a video. Well, that was yesterday. Did you get yeast?
There's no yeast anywhere. My dad went to Price Chopper to check again, and still no yeast. So I'm just about to order some. Okay. Start with crunches.
No, you start with crunches.
Okay, 3, 2.
What, normal crunches?
Yeah. Don't you know the order? I thought you knew it offhand.
You look at me so weird.
I just can't. Need to elbow plank. Now I can have a cake. Something pretty. I made that Vaseline comment, and then he was like, junior year, I posted anything and everything I wanted.
Yeah.
And I still do that now, honestly, but I used to host, so my creativity just stays in my head.
Yeah.
And it's just like, oh, I love seeing my content. Because sometimes I look at my pictures like, oh my god, something, yes. Like, I saw the vision.
Yeah. I said like now that quarantine, it's like more time to get
Oh yeah.
more creative.
To really like focus on your like
Yeah.
your hobbies and things that you don't get to really like reading, for example. I need to be reading more. I have a whole library and I'm not reading.
That's why I'm
3
like,
more weeks of the semester. And then we're free.